Welcome back to the kitchen. Long time no see. I'm back in the kitchen because of summer. It was hard to be in the kitchen. The weather was nice. Wanted to be outside. Wanted to enjoy, going surfing, be along the beach. I told you in my past life I was a dolphin, so I've been away from the water for too long. But now it seems like fall is here. It might have already skipped fall. I feel like we have like winter breezes coming in. Apparently it's from Russia. Thank you, Russia, for that. To restart our engine, we're gonna do a delicious homemade chicken udon. And now this chicken udon is amazing because number one, it's simple. We're gonna take chicken thigh and we're gonna make this natural chicken broth from it. And then if you've been to Japan, you might have tried Tsukemen ramen, where the noodles come separately from the broth. All right, we're gonna start off with some boneless chicken thigh, skin on. This is roughly 3 chicken thigh. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm gonna give them a quick rinse so that any bone fragments or anything from the factory, whatever, can get rinsed off. It seems like some people, based on where you live, are very strict about not washing chicken. It's not the case here in Korea. You don't have to wash it if you don't need. Now, key step, use a small pot, something with a small diameter. We wanna minimize the amount of water we pour in. And then the key here is we're gonna pour enough water just to submerge these pieces. Okay, don't add too much. If you add too much water, the broth doesn't taste thick. Okay, so this is just perfect amount. It should come out to a little bit more than 1 cup. Let's get this on a high heat and bring this up to a boil. We're gonna grab 2 spring onion pieces, the size of your forearm, both white and green. Very simple, right? And once it comes to boil, you can skim the top off, get rid of the bubbles or the extra fat. We only need to do this once. Then we're gonna put a lid on and reduce this to a low heat. Set a timer for 10 minutes.
I'm home. Hi guys.
Katie, what did you buy that? I told you I'm cooking at home.
This is bulgogi yubu. It's a new menu in our local kimbap store, so I had to try it.
Looks like a donut.
I got my second shot too, by the way.
How you feeling? Feeling all right?
아파.
Katie, I know you're not apoing. She just keeps saying that so I can cook for her. Anyway, I'm gonna dump some water.
I feel paralyzed.
Yeah, right.
I can't do anything.
We're gonna get demonetized. Stop saying that. All right, here we go. We're gonna add some water to our bowl. You're gonna find like fresh udon in the refrigerated section, but oftentimes it's packed in with the mixture of oil and water. I like to get rid of that factory oil, so I like to just dunk it in some water. Sous chef, you'll see all the oil coming off of it.
It's already coming off.
You see the oil droplets? Yeah, I don't like that, so.
Oh, you added some photos to our cutting board.
Yeah.
This is cute.
Yes.
This is a nice way to elevate your kitchen.
This is from Jeju-do. It seems like every time we go to Jeju-do, it's raining.
Is it?
Yes.
Was it?
Katie, your memory is going.
I wonder, I'm so confused.
All right, our beluga whale is steaming off. All right, that's 10 minutes. Whoa, 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 whoa. We need 2 thighs for our broth and the other, take them out and save them. Chop them up, guys. Chop up 2 pieces. If you want a little bit more, don't let me stop you. Do as your heart desires. I actually used 2.5 because I'm hungry. Put the leftover in a Tupperware here. This will stay good for about a week. Now take out a separate pot. We're gonna pour in 1 cup. Delicious, rich. It should come out to 1 cup. Am I good? Am I good?
Oh, perfect.
Holy moly. 1 cup of chicken broth, then 1 cup of water. And then we have some tsuyu or suyu.
You read it in Japanese.
Hon suyu. Tsuyu is soy sauce that has been boiled down with katsuobushi, which are the dried bonito flakes. Like Korea uses anchovy and kelp. In Japan, they use kelp and dried bonito flakes, katsuobushi. So this soy sauce tastes a little bit smoky. I would highly recommend using, if you look at the label, it says nonchuk, or basically how concentrated it is. I would do anything above 3x. So sabe means 4x. We're gonna need, I already pre-measured, 4 tablespoons. Add that in.
Good job.
And then, my friends,
Hi. hontou ni?
yes, hontoni. We're gonna add in all of the
arigato.
gozaimasu. Chicken, yeah. Slide all that in.
It smells so good.
That's right. I'm going to transfer it back to the white bowl just because it looks better and you can see the actual color. Bring it up to boil. We're going to cook this. And then we're going to just let this come up to a boil and cook it until the spring onions turn soft. Kawaii! Now while we wait for this, we got to go back to the udon. Empty out the water, remember? Okay. Bring this up to a boil as well. All right, just a few more minutes and the spring onions will turn nice and kawaii. One note here, this will give you enough dipping broth for 2 servings. So you want to boil 2 packages of udon noodles. I'm only doing 1 because Katie just bought kimchi 볶음밥 and a whole bunch of other food and I want to just mix and match, but again, use 2. Once it's boiling, udon noodles in, and we only need 2 minutes. Pour these guys into the cold water. Let them swim, let them swim, let them swim. Back out. Cold water once more. Very good. Put them back into the cold water. A little bit of a mix. All right. That'll stop the cooking process. Guys, your cold noodles, put it out onto a tray. All the water, excess water. I'll just use the modori lid actually. Beautiful, right? That's it. How do we eat? We're gonna grab a little bit of our noodles.
Oh my gosh, do you hear that? Jets again.
Yeah, they're doing an air show. Bunch of like helicopters and jet airplanes.
How
Right.
are we gonna do the filling?
Oh, we're gonna push on. 좀 이제 닫아. We're gonna slide a few of our noodles in.
Yeah.
Alright, and you just mix it like this. And how do you eat it? Allow me to show you. Katie? Did it even go down your throat and you were saying it's delicious?
It's so good.
Really?
The key to this recipe is the soup.
Oh, we forgot the shichimi taragami. 잠깐만. I need a little bit of spice.
맛있어.
In Japan, they can't handle spice, so I always end up using so much of this shichimi. You know, the spice?
But it's not even spicy.
No, that's the problem. I'm gonna dump half of this into it.
Maybe put 고춧가루.
Luckily, I have my own bowl. A little bit of the spice.
Oh, you don't have as much meat pieces. I'll
That's
give
right.
you one.
Thank you. All right, neighbors, especially during the winter, if you're going out to skiing and you get a little cabin for yourself and you think about what to eat, pack a little bit of udon noodles and you got yourself a delicious chicken udon.
すごい!
혼돈이 스고이.